All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm not usually awake. I decided to do a second review, guys. Now, yesterday, uh, today I've had my 606 milliliters of coffee because I have to do that every morning. I'm OCD. And my wife got me some vanilla, something that's supposed to be coffee. Anyway, yesterday I had been awake for over 30 hours and I watched the review this morning and it was pretty bad. So I decided to do a second one. So if you're on YouTube, click the link below. You'll go to my website. It's a pretty short written review, but it gets to the point, I think. Excuse me. And if you click here, you'll go to the sales page. Okay, sales page, check it out yourself. You know how to get there. You go to my website, just go to the bottom, click here. My website will be in the description of this second part review. And like I said, I wanted to make this because my review yesterday, I was so tired that I barely knew what I was saying. But what I was saying was I was not expecting a lot from this product because I've went through this year alone probably about five of these side hustle quick cash methods, and none of them for me were fit to tell people about. So yeah, I didn't. So that's just how it went. Anyway, I did say there what in the last video. In the last video, I show you the bonuses that I'm giving away, and I tell you that there's not like 20 OTOs. So here are the OTOs. The funnel. The front end, okay, that's 9.97. The OTO one, this is one that would probably interest me. I might even just buy it, or ask if I can ask the guys if I can get this. It looks to me like there's an upsell and a downsell. See how there's two prices? Probably there's an upsell and a downsell. So if you don't get it for 97, then you can maybe get it for 67. Not sure. OTO 2, please pause this if you want to read what it is. OTO 3, please pause it if you want to see what it is. And then OTO 4, which is resale rights, which people always put on their products. Now, I don't buy that because I'm able to get these products, usually for free. Sometimes I have to buy the upsells, whatever. Anyway, moving on. Members area, Bumf Jono Armstrong saying hello. Jono is an old friend, and he helped me out one time by letting me, or offering for me to do coaching inside of his Ministry of Freedom high ticket program 1 day a week, and he paid me a lot of money to do it. So I appreciate Jono. He is a good friend. He's a good guy as well. Okay, course overview. This is just talking about what's in the members area, so I'm not going to repeat myself. This is talking about the PDF. This is cool. It's like talking about your expectations. So don't think you're going to become a millionaire with this. You're not going to grow, like a big business. So like every day I'm trying to upload a new video to one of my two YouTube channels where I talk. I have another two where they're faceless. So I'm building those channels, and eventually I hope those channels will bring in a lot of money, passively. With this, that's not really what you're going to get. You're doing jobs and you're getting paid for them. So that's what the explanation is, okay? Your expectations. Then we have the PDF. Now, like I said, I've looked at four or five, I can't remember because they were so bad. Like the PDFs before, for example, okay, I would click it, it would go to some website, and half the time I couldn't log into the website. I didn't know what I was doing. Whereas with this, it tells you like your expected earnings, 5 to 100 per month. Time required, flexible, so that you earn more by scanning more receipts. Tells you exactly how it works. I think this is one you can only do in UK, USA, maybe Canada. Then it has different websites that you can open up and sign up to, make every purchase rewarding. We help consumers earn millions in cash back with our free app and the promotion. Boom. Okay, there you go. Website opens up, and then look how much detail has went into actually, and it's like a pro tip: organize your receipts by placing them in a folder. Da, da, da. I love the fact that there's detail in this because I want you to make money. Okay, I want to make money, but I want you to understand and not like be confused. Get paid to play video games. I don't play video games. I don't know anything about video games. Unfortunately, I wish, I don't wish, but my daughter wishes I do. So that's 50 to 1,000 per month, depending how much you play. Again, it's explained how it works and the different websites. So different websites here for different. I'm guessing these are games. I don't, like I said, I don't know. Oh, esports is probably a game pro. I don't know. So that's to play games. Right, back to the top. Get paid to listen to music. Get paid to play video games. Memes. Get paid for uploading memes and funny content. Get paid for doing online surveys, data entry, microtasks, product testing, website testing, which interests me because I know a lot about websites. And again, it tells you like at the top. So this is interesting, right? $10 to $60 per test. Okay, 20 to 30 minutes per test. Now, let's like just look at this, and let's say it takes me 30 minutes to do one test, and I make $50. If I do two of that, that's like $100 a day. If I do three, it's an hour and a half, and I've made $150. Or I just show my wife how to do it. And boom, the summer's coming up. I don't want to be sitting recording all the time, putting new content up because it is tiring. Like I said, yesterday when I recorded my other review, I'd gone 30, maybe 40 hours without sleep just because I was so in the, in the groove. Yeah, so again, brilliant. And it tells you the exact platforms you can use, details about them. It tells you how to do it. Speak clearly. I mean, all of this is brilliant stuff. Anyway, back to the top. So you can pause this, I guess, and have a look at what all of these are. I did open one that looked pretty cool. Website testing, product testing. What was the one that I opened up and I closed it. That was stupid. I mean, really, yeah, I should have taken the time maybe to go ahead and try one of these out, but I didn't. Unfortunately, was it product testing? No, it wasn't. There was one that I went and I opened it up and I can see that I can do it in my country. Anyway, I'm not going to go back through and find that website. I'm gonna keep this PDF because it's damn handy to have. And like I said, I'm an online marketer for until I'm making millions. Um, and this is just a way 28 ways that you can make money by doing different things, and you can do, you know you can choose five of them to do, you can choose one to do, you can, I don't know, do them all, or maybe some you can't do in your country. But I think this is pretty awesome. I doubted that this was going to be good. I'm glad I opened it up because if nothing else, it's going to give me something to find, to be able to do, to make $150, in a couple of hours maximum, and then I can just go and swim all day, be at the beach. That sounds good to me, and I can put a hold on my YouTube channels and on my website and all the other things that I'm doing, every day. So anyway, brilliant stuff by Tom, Jono, and I believe Ryan is involved as well. So this is awesome. I love it. I think you should grab it 100%. I mean, emergency income kit, great name. But you can use this on a daily basis. And if you find a couple of websites that you really like and you're making good money, why the hell not just do it every day? It could actually become job replacing income, you know? easily. So, alright, guys, I'll see you in the next one. This is Mark with my vanilla flavored latte.